Good morning, boys. Welcome back. It's time to study. So, today we're going to begin a new chapter based on Mary Kom becoming great. We all have heard about Mary Kom, we have watched the movie, we all like the movie, so we know who Mary Kom is. So, we have a basic idea about Mary Kom. So, today we're going to learn about her life story, her struggles, where she was born, how she became great, what all did she do to become great, and her achievements. And apart from boxing, some other things she is involved in, and the values you learn from Mary Kom. So, Mary Kom becoming great. So, we all get inspired by many people, especially at your age. We get inspired by film stars and sports men or sports women. So, like Sachin Tendulkar, we have Salman Khan, we have Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, we have Tiger Shroff. In sports, we have Sachin, as I told you, who have Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, international sportsmen, Messi, Ronaldo. There's so many dancers, Michael Jackson, musicians, A.R. Rahman, singers, Arijit Singh. I don't know much about Hindi film singers, but I heard about Arijit Singh, who's very famous with people. And there are many people who inspire us, great people who have become famous. So, at your age, it's usually film stars or sports women or sportsmen who inspire you. You get inspired by. So, Mary Kom is the perfect example for students. She teaches you so much, and you should read her story and learn from her strong will, her determination to do something, endurance, mental toughness, and the willingness and the acceptance of working hard, and also going through a lot of pain. She knew that she has to go through a lot of pain to achieve something, and she was there, right there, mentally and physically. She did not give up. So let's learn about Mary Kom. In the northeast of India, in the beautiful state of Manipur, a poor couple lived in a village called Kangathai. They worked hard as manual laborers in the fields. On 1st March 1983, they had their first child. They named her Mangte Chungnai Jang Mary Kom. So she was born to a couple in Manipur. A poor couple lived in a village called Kangathai, and on the 1st March 1983, India wins its first World Cup. So, and they named her Mangte Chungnai Jang Mary Kom. From a young age, Mary helped her parents by working with them and by looking after her siblings when she wasn't at school. She used to help her parents in the fields. She used to look after her siblings when she was not in school. And when she was in school, Mary enjoyed playing sports and was especially good at athletics. She was strong and supple and fast. Mary went to the town of Moirang to continue her education, but struggled with the final exams. Mary knew how important education is, so she went on to complete her exams through the National Open School. And she completed it, and now this school is known as the National Institute of Open Schooling. So she struggled to complete her examinations, but she did not give up because she was more interested in sports, but she knew how important education was, and she went to this National Open School to complete her exams. In 1998, Mary kept up with the news of the Asian Games. She watched as Dinko Singh, who was from Manipur, worked his way up to winning gold in boxing. Mary was inspired by Dinko's strength, skill, and speed. She wanted to be a boxer. So in 1998 Asian Games, Mary kept up with the news, what was happening in Asian Games, and she eventually, when she came to know that Dinko Singh, who was a boxer from her state, Manipur, has won the gold medal in boxing, this inspired her. She was so inspired by this boxer, Dinko Singh, that she made up her mind to train herself to become a boxer. She was inspired by his skill, speed, and strength. Mary's parents and other people did not understand why Mary was so interested in boxing. She thought that it was highly unusual for a woman to want to be a boxer. That was the thought in those days, and especially in Manipur side, because these areas were not so developed, and people thought that women were not supposed to box. But some people even tried to discourage her, but she had made up her mind. So she went to the boxing academy in Imphal and started training. She was relentless, often putting in extra hours of training at night. Her determination and practice soon saw results. So she went to this boxing academy in Imphal. She joined over there and she started practicing. She did not only practice when it was required, she practiced when it was not required also. She put in those extra hours. Learn from Mary Kom to put in those extra hours. If you want to do something, you want to improve in something, put in those extra hours. And these extra hours, what Mary Kom put in, soon showed results. In 2001, she entered for this Women's World's Amateur Boxing Championship, where she stood second. Following year, she took part in the same championship again, and she came first. Mary Kom, by the international media, has been named Magnificent Mary because of her record, 5 times amateur boxing champion. It is a record, and she is named by the International Boxing Federation as Magnificent Mary. In the 2012 Summer Olympics in London, women's boxing was allowed for the first time. Mary fought tirelessly and won the chance to represent India. At the Olympics, Mary stayed focused through round after round and match after match until she won the bronze medal for India. This secured her a place in sports history. In 2014 Asian Games, Mary became even more of a sensation when she won the gold medal in South Korea. Can you imagine? In 1998, she got inspired by Dinko Singh, and in 2014 Asian Games, she wins the gold medal in the same sport, boxing. Can you imagine how she was inspired, in what level she was inspired? 1998 to 2014, 16 years of struggle. She wanted that medal, Asian Games, because Dinko Singh from her state had won, that inspired her. In recognition of her achievements in 2013, Mary was awarded the Padma Bhushan, the third highest civilian honor in India. She was previously awarded the Padma Shri in 2010 and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, India's most prestigious sports award. Mary got married in 2005 and she and her husband have 3 sons. They live in Imphal. As well as training arduously, Mary campaigns for various causes. She promotes animal rights. She encourages people to volunteer and work to improve their communities. Mary is passionate about promoting health and fitness. Being from the sports side, so she knows the importance of fitness and health. So health and fitness go together. So a healthy body will have a healthy mind. So She teaches disadvantaged children how to box, thereby passing on the skills of determination, speed, agility, power, endurance, and mental toughness. Children who cannot afford the expensive equipment, so she buys the equipment. She has a coaching institute over there where these children come, poor children, and they learn how to box, and she is directly passing on the skills of determination, speed, agility, power, endurance, and mental toughness. So when you learn something, you learn a sport. You don't only learn a sport, you learn certain things which take you a long way in life. Mental toughness, strong will, endurance, speed, agility, determination. So these things, mental toughness, strong will, determination, all these things come into you, these values. You can learn more by watching the film about her life or reading her autobiography, Unbreakable. So we all have watched the film, and those of you who like reading, just buy this book titled Unbreakable on Mary Kom. It's an autobiography, so you will come to know everything about her. Today, Mary is a hero to many school children like you, but you must never forget that you too can become great one day if you do everything to the best of your ability and take the chances that are offered to you in life. So, do anything, everything that comes to your way, in your way, to the best of your ability, and take the chances that are offered to you in life. Then you can achieve greatness, or you will do something good in life. Now I also have got a small presentation on Mary Kom which I'll be posting alongside with this video of mine. So go through that also, and I hope you like this lesson. And homework as usual, after you watch this video, you will copy the word meanings in your notebooks. Thank you.